it is also stated there, section 3, rule 3, section 10 sa ato ang Republic Act 11223, that in every increase in premium contributions for the direct contributors and subsidy or premium subsidy for the indirect contributors, PhilHealth shall provide increase in benefits also.
To continue regarding benefits, PhilHealth covers inpatient benefits. Mora gyud na siya before. But we also have outpatient benefits, as you all know, but it's only limited to cataract, minor surgeries, radiotherapy, hemodialysis, casting. And then, PhilHealth recently, I think 2 years ago, Ferl, no? 2020, no? 2020, implemented the primary care benefits or the consulta. Aside from the inpatient benefits, we also have Z benefits. Z-Ben refers to illnesses which are catastrophic or life-threatening, like cancer, ana. Si PhilHealth naghatag yun og dako nga benefit ani, so it ranges from 100,000 and above. But for us to avail this C-Ben, as of the moment, there is a Negros Oriental, we don't have a C benefit contracted hospital. For Region 7, we have Vicente Soto, Perpetual Socor, and one in Gallares sa Bohol. But they only cater one C-Ben, which is the neonatal katong na ay sakit kasing-kasing nga newborn mo nag-cater. But for Vicente Soto and Perpetual Socor, they cater cancer patients. Then aside from C-Ben, naapot tay mga mga special related benefits like nauso tong Ebola, we have that one. Leptospirosis is covered under special benefits. Kanang napaakan tag-iro yan magpakwanta covered na sa PhilHealth under special benefits. And then katong COVID pandemic is under special related benefits. Next slide please. So moto ang COVID, we have 4 packages, dagko gyud to siya. It ranges from 40 up to 700,000 for the catastrophic.